Well, this is Southern Ontario, April 1st. I was in at the hardware store. Seventh sump pump they've sold today. The other one had given up the ghost. So, I'm just down here. It's coming outside nicely. Let's hope that pump has a good duty cycle. It's got a ways to go. Oh man, pant legs over my boot. That went bad. Oh, good thing I came down, because that pump for the water usually sits down just above ground level. I don't know how Mr. Electric hot water heater is going to like it. Pant leg over my boot, but I was hastening because we couldn't get the other pump going, or re-going, so we had to hasten off and get a pump. This is why when you have wood in your basement, you got to keep your floor swept up. Things come in threes. Just gonna work on the car today. Instead, just get in my way. The battery charger for my electric sweater has failed. So let's hope that that's the three. Shall we? Well, yeah, fun, wow.